Hello friends, welcome to AapBhiBatao. Are you ready to explore what is first in India? Let's start together. First question, what was India's first satellite called? Answer is Aryabhatta. Second question, what was India's first nuclear test called? Answer is Smiling Buddha. Third question, what was India's first war of independence called? Answer is Indian Rebellion of 1857. Fourth question, what was India's first talkie film called? Answer is Alam Ara. Fifth question, what was India's first war with Pakistan called? Answer is Indo-Pak War of 1947. Sixth question, what was India's first national park? Answer is Jim Corbett National Park. Seventh question, what was India's first Cricket World Cup victory year? Answer is 1983. Eighth question, what was India's first newspaper called? Answer is the Bengal Gazette. Ninth question, what was India's first assembled car called? Answer is Hindustan Ambassador. 10th question, what was India's first successful Mars mission called? Answer is Mangalyaan. 11th question, what was India's first modern university? Answer is University of Calcutta. 12th question, what was India's first cloned animal? Answer is buffalo calf named Samrupa. 13th question, what was India's first international cricket match against? Answer is England. 14th question, the India's first animated work to be released in theatres? Answer is the P Brothers. 15th question, what was India's first newspaper in an Indian language? Answer is Samachar Darpan. 16th question, what was India's first internet provider? Answer is BSNL. 17th question, what was India's first stock exchange? Answer is Bombay Stock Exchange. 18th question, what was India's first e-commerce website? Answer is FabMart. 19th question, what was India's first silent feature film? Answer is Raja Harishchandra. 20th question, what was India's first luxury train? Answer is Palace on Wheels. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.